Oh my gosh, guys. Look at the cruise ship. Yeah, Ferris wheel over there. That's nice. Guys, that's not the cruise ship we're going on. It's that one right there. Oh my gosh, we're here, guys. Guys, we're finna get on the actual cruise ship. This is gonna be an exciting part. So, this is the ocean. We're going this way. We're going this way, guys. That's the way to like the city. So, that's the deep ocean, Pacific Ocean. This is the whole thing. Oh my gosh!
Let me see your question.
Guys, we're on. Okay, we're on, guys. We're on the cruise ship.
Oh, remember you recorded.
These are the lifeboats, guys.
Yes, these are really big.
I know. It can fit like thousands of people. Mom, am I still recording? Mom, am I still recording?
No, yeah, it is.
Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, we're about to go to our rooms. This is the Star Lounge. We got the Star Lounge. We're lucky. So, this is a very nice cruise ship.
Okay, press 12. Thank you. Find an elevator.
Over here. Over here, this one. It's better.
Oh, she said press 12. 1870. Since I have instructions.
Okay, guys. Right here. Have one. Me and Sky can have one in case we want to go get some ice cream or something.
Hold on.
This is our blind reaction to our room.
Here, Sky. Take one. Me and you both got one. Where's that going? Oh my god! Just so pretty. God bless you.
Check out like everything, like
Yeah, mom said we're going to the pool. Oh, that's better. No, still gotta do it. I'm gonna check. Nope. Still. It was not lemonade.
Upstairs.